Zoom फैशन ड्रिल पे अब तक बीत चुके हैं 4 एक्शन पैक्ड दिन. The contestants have faced 4 grueling challenges. And while some have proved their mettle, the others need to buck up. Kyunki it really is now or never. Day 5 has kicked off and our go-getters are getting fashion ready for their next challenge.
For her skin, what I'm using is Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse. It's really light on your skin, yet it gives you beautiful coverage. So that is what we want for this look.
Hairstyling done often tends to drive one's stress. The perfect solution, the fabulous Tresemme conditioner and products which nourish the tress and bring back its shine.
For the first look, we are going to give them the Pepe jeans with whites.
The overall feel is basically really rugged and like rustic.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How's everyone today?
Very good.
सुना आप लोग का बहुत मेहनत हो रहा है.
Yeah. बहुत ही ज़्यादा.
आज का जो हमारा ड्रिल है उसका नाम है फैशन अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन. ये देखकर आपको क्या समझ में आता है?
We're gonna use this. We're gonna pose with this. I think a lot of work, creativity is gonna be there, high fashion. Yeah. In a more rugged way.
I like what you said. You said lots of work. Yes, it's going to be lots of work. We're going to use Pepe jeans, जो आप लोग सब पहने हुए हैं, and you're all looking beautiful, wonderful, handsome.
Thank you.
Any prop that you want to use, आपको जो कोई भी prop use करना है वो आप use कर सकते हैं. Excited?
Sounds great. Very much.
Hey, let's roll. Lalit, let's go.
picked up a huge drill. हालांकि मुझे काफी मुश्किल हो रही थी इसको पिक करने में.
ये हाथ ऐसा मत रख. Beautiful. Stay there, please. Yeah. The other side.
Same thing as this side. Tough time है, बहुत धूप है. All about being rough and tough.
Do one thing. Swing on that. Yeah. Last two. You know, all these variations that he had, premeditated and thought about, that I thought was very, very good about him.
I don't want any tractors or mixers around me. वो पतली सी फ्रेम थी वुडन की, उस पे बैलेंस करना is not easy.
Lift yourself up. Lift. Go. Yeah, just this. This is what I'm saying. Go higher and do this. Very good. I love the way your body is looking at. Yeah. Point your toes down. Play.
वो मेरा toughest shot था till date.
Lovely. Flex abs. Nice. Go. Yeah, Sunny, brilliant.
The shot जो मैंने दिया है, वो कोई भी करके दिखाए, कोई भी.
Sunny, brilliant. He's only done 7 frames and I've got my frame instead of the 15 that we were asking for. Very well done.
Thank you so much.
We have to shoot with all the stuff lying here. We will actually have a freedom to, pose and to express ourselves. I think so. It will be fun.
Don't try to do pretty.
Okay.
Try to do more aggressive.
Okay.
Very good.
So I've created that style. Show my abs and my body language and expressions also on face.
मैं बहुत nervous थी.
Yeah, push your hair back. Do all that. I told you to stand up on the tire, right?
Yeah. बहुत ही difficult था. मेरे पैर हिल रहे थे.
There was this whole sensuality that she brought into the pictures, which I thought was fabulous. Yeah, I like that look, Baba. Give me those looks. Come on. Turn that side. Because that will give you a highlight, no, on the abs. Very good. Thank you, sir. Very good. There's a lot of advantage working with people, who know how to pose in front of the camera. There is a comfort, there is an ease with their body.
I want to sit on the this bag you can see over there, and this gonna be just like a prop outside, and I wanna make my pose here.
So your prop is going to be the cement bag?
Yeah, cement bag with this whole set, like
The crusher.
This,
Okay,
yeah.
all right. Bend that leg, your right leg, bend the knee, keep it up on the cement. Okay, what I want you to do is, you're doing this, okay? And just pretend where you're just putting your feet up, or you know, one of those.
सूबी सर ने खुद सामने से बोला कि आप यहाँ पे पोज करो.
Don't look at me. Move that hair off your face. Yeah. Baba, point your toe. Point it. Huh. And now look there. That's good. Nice. Stay there. Turn the other side. Too much. Thank you. उसके हाथ में एक बहुत ही heavy एक drill machine था. But I would still have expected a little more from her. और ये हाथ को open कर. Yes, correct. And now look there. That's good. Look a little higher. Yeah, I love the way you express. Who's the next girl? I need the next girl ready.
I was like pretty excited for the task because it was like proper high fashion shoot, so I was like up for it.
You can choose what you want to shoot on, and then you can decide.
And we have like two choices here.
You have one choice, either this or that.
And I just took the rope and started posing with it. I was pretty comfortable in my pose.
Stay there, very good, stay there.
तो 2-3 प्रॉप थे, हैमर और जब मशीन, ड्रिल मशीन ऑलरेडी यूज़ हो चुकी थी. तो सूबी सर ने मुझे बताया कि तुझे कुछ नया प्रॉप अगर यूज़ करना है तो मुझे थोड़ा भूखा था. मुझे भूख लग रही थी. मैंने कहा सर मेरे को अगर सैंडविच मिल जाएगा तो अच्छा होगा, मैं एक बाइट भी ले लूँगा और वैसे अपना प्रॉप भी बना सकता हूँ.
हाँ, खा ले वो, तो अभी वो कटा हुआ दिखेगा ना, तो it will look nice. Couple into camera, and you can give me 1 or 2 smiling. Hold the yellow rope in the center. Keep your legs wide. Just drop your head a bit. हाँ, very good. थोड़े limitations थे, but I think she's someone who will get trained. ये पैर ऊपर ले. Flex abs. Thank you. He doesn't have the right body, so that for me was a no completely.
और जब मैं वहाँ पे क्लिक करने के लिए गया था तो मैं बिल्कुल भी प्रिपेयर नहीं था.
Do something else.
उन्होंने मुझे सिंपल इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए कि मैं ये वुडन फ्रेम है, आपको उस पे ऐसे पोज करना है.
Just lean on that. Very good. Thank you. Sanjeev's limitation again is his body. He needs to work on his body. What he did as a pose was brilliant.
जब मैं जेसीबी पे चढ़ी तो वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा गर्म था.
Is it hot?
दिमाग में ना काफ़ी ज़्यादा कॉन्शियस हो गई थी मैं अपने आप में कि मैं इस पे स्लिप भी हो रही हूँ, मुझको अच्छा पोज भी देना है.
Super. Look up also. Brilliant. I like what you're doing. Lovely. Hold on once again. उसने जो अपना enthusiasm दिखाया और जो interest के साथ उसने जो shoot किया, I loved her expressions, I loved her body line.
इस फैशन ड्रिल का पहला लेवल तो कंटेस्टेंट्स ने क्रॉस कर लिया, लेकिन अब it's time for level 2.
I am going to shoot you 7 times. But every time मैं आप लोगों को एक नया expression या emotion बताऊंगा. How many of you have heard about the famous 7 sins?
The 7 sins, I think it was a wonderful concept. जब उस बारे में सुबी ने हमें explain किया, I think it sounded really exciting.
I'll keep telling you one emotion at a time. और आप लोग को as a group, we want to see you outdo each other. So the first sin that I want you to express is envy.
In envy, don't put a combo of 2 girls and a guy or 2 guys and a girl. I think put it either 3 girls and there's an envy of 3 guys.
You need to come a little one step forward. Go back, go one. Yeah, ready guys? Okay, come on. Everybody take that step and look like you all are walking in.
ग्रुप टास्क जब हमें दिया गया तो अब बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं था सोचने का.
और अब let's see some hardcore pride. Not bad.
How proud are you of yourself?
Only thing that mattered in that shoot was you have to stand out.
अगला sin wrath यानी क्रोध. Oh, those sure are some very angry faces.
हमको 7 sins दिए थे जो परफॉर्म करने थे. तो वो एक्चुअली मैं समझ नहीं पाया कि मुझे जब समझ में नहीं आती तो मैं ऑब्वियसली मैं नहीं कोई भी परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाएगा.
Next up, sloth, आलस. और इस sin को पोर्ट्रे करना seems like a cakewalk for pretty much everyone.
Go guys. Nice.
और फिर we have greed. Get greedy, guys.
The next one is lust.
That's a good one. Yeah.
जब एकदम से लस्ट वाला उन्होंने सिन अनाउंस किया तो मैंने देखा जो पास खड़ा था एकदम से पेयर बन गए थे और जब मैंने देखा आखिरी में तो संजीव अकेला था तो मैंने सोचा कि इट इज़ बेटर टू पिक गर्ल्स ग्रुप रादर देन गोइंग विद अ गाय.
Once again, come on, lust.
और आखिरी sin है gluttony.
Hookah, yes, exactly.
जिसके लिए इन्हें दिया गया है chocolate sauce. Hot models plus chocolate sauce. Can't get any hotter, can it now?
असली इमोशन दे दो अभी. Okay. Last one. Okay, guys, it's a wrap. Personally speaking, I think you have all done very well.
Thank you so much.
All the best.
We are down to have. How was your shoot today with Subi?
Super nice. It was awesome. Amazing.
Okay, guys, आपका आज का शूट 2 पार्ट्स में था. चलिए आपके चैलेंज के पहले पार्ट के इमेजेस को देखते हैं. First up, we have Lalit.
What I like about this picture is the fact that it enhances your body very well, and at the same time, you know, the product has to show, and that is showing so well out here.
One word, hot.
I like it a lot.
Whoa, that's a big compliment.
Good to hear that always.
Viren, you're next.
Viren, आपके abs बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं.
Thank you, sir.
And the fact that you have used the hammer, and you've used it well.
The pose I don't like too much. I find it a little awkward.
Vishakha, you're next. Again, it couldn't have been easy balancing on the tire आपके heels में.
बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट था, बैलेंस बिगड़ रहा था, शूज हिल रहे थे, बट स्टिल मैनेज किया.
You've got a natural sex appeal, and you should use that.
Next up, we have Sunny.
Looks excellent. Looks very very good. Again, Pepe jeans बहुत अच्छी तरह highlight हो रहा है.
Yeah.
And you know वो जो props use हुए हैं, the helmet, all of it is working so beautifully. I don't know how we are going to choose the best one out here. Wow.
Dharmika, you're next.
I know that those monstrous rope that you are carrying was heavy.
Heavy, no?
And you still made it look very very easy, and you've made it look very comfortable.
Puneet?
You know, very very honestly, Puneet, you've got your shoulders are a little smaller, and you know that's an area that you need to work on.
Thank you.
Priyanka? The cap that you're lying on, गरम था ना?
मैं बता नहीं सकती कि कितना गर्म था, क्योंकि मुझको हाथ भी वहीं पे रखना पड़ रहा था सपोर्ट के लिए, और स्लिप भी हो रही थी मैं बार बार, तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा अनकंफर्टेबल था, बट मैंने मैनेज करने की काफ़ी कोशिश करी.
Okay, thank you, Priyanka. नायन, सोच क्या रहे थे वैसे?
कुछ नहीं, मुझे बोला गया कि कोई प्रॉप यूज़ करना आपको, तो सुबह से मैंने कुछ खाया नहीं था, तो मुझे लगा सैंडविच ला दो.
She was hungry.
That's awesome. Next up is Aarti.
I love this picture.
Thank you.
And personally, this would be one of my take-home pictures from today's show.
Nice. Thank you.
Sanjeev, please step out.
You know, considering you don't have so much experience as some of the other models, I like the picture. Overall, it worked for me.
Thank you.
तो अभी वक्त है आपके ग्रुप पोज की. The first deadly sin, envy. I'm loving Sunny in this and Dharmika in this.
I think the expression of envy comes out most in Vishakha.
Can we take a look at the second picture, please? Which is Wrath.
This one's a clear winner
Clear,
for
Lalit.
Lalit.
Yeah.
Can we see the third picture, please? This is Pride.
Vishaka at the back is looking good.
Pride, yeah.
The next one is Greed.
Going a little away from this particular picture, Priyanka, I notice your expression is the same in all the pictures. It hasn't changed, which is not a good thing.
Let's get the next picture. Lust.
Oh, I can see Puneet looking really lustful in this. Priyanka, this one you're looking a little lust.
Look at the pictures individually. Lalit and Aarti are bringing out something really nice.
I think that, yeah.
Aarti works the best for me in this picture.
I would agree.
The next deadly sin is sloth. I like Sunny because you're bringing forth that the tiredness, the whole, it's coming forth in your pose. But Sanjeev, there's an edge to it. बहुत अच्छा है.
Thank you so much.
Let's now take a look at the last deadly sin, gluttony.
Priyanka and Dharmika work the best, but Dharmika के हाथ से उनका face cover हो जाता है. So just trying to cut it out and bring in one winner for this picture. For me, it will be Priyanka.
We saw the pictures. पहले दिन से आज तक, when I see you guys, I see your photographs, बहुत improvement है.
We are looking at consistency as one of the key factors in deciding who has been the best today.
आज के Zoom Fashion Drill के winners हैं Vishaka and Lalit.
जो भी जजमेंट्स हुए उसमें 2-3 मुझे ठीक नहीं लगे. फेवरेटिज्म यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मुझे फीलिंग आई.
Day 5 खत्म होता है with Lalit and Vishaka both winning their second badges. यहाँ से आगे डेयरिंग, डिटर्मिनेशन, डेडिकेशन और डिसिप्लिन के इस बैटल में